Time for some okra, y'all. Time for some okra. Get them off while they young and tender. Get them off while they young and tender. Look at that one. Go ahead and take this one off. See if we got some more. Oh yeah, get this one off though. Let's see, we got some more. Small. Oh yeah, here go one right here. Oh yeah, look at that one. Yes, sure. Got nailed on that one. Got in the mold. Oh yeah, got a couple down here. Look at that one. Got one right here, chill. I'm trying to do this with one hand, y'all, without cutting my whole thing. There you go. Got one right here. Get that one. Get that one off of there. Got that one. Got one right here. Get that one off of there. Come on, yeah. Yes, sir. I think that's all for today. I think that's all for today. Make sure I didn't miss any. Got a couple on there I'm gonna leave on a little longer, but oh, here go one right here. Oh yeah, let's get this one off there. Let's get that one off there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I think that's it for today, people. That's it right there. Mustard green going. Got a couple more, they small though. So this is all we got for today. Go in the house and show y'all how I put my okra up. Right now, y'all, I'm blanching some okra that I just picked today. First thing you want to do is clean your okra off real good. Let that okra boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. And I'll show you what the next step is. Y'all stay tuned. All right, you want to get that okra. Want to bring it over here. You want to strain that okra, get it out of that hot water. Pull your hot water out of there. You want to cool this okra as fast as possible. Put that okra in some water. Get you some ice. Get some ice in there. Cool that okra off. Cooling that okra off stops the cooking process. So you put that okra in that ice water and cool it off fast as possible. You want to take that okra, lay it out, let it dry. Slice that okra up. And you don't have to slice it. You can leave them whole if you want to. That one a little hard on the tail, but it's gonna be all right. If you don't want to get your hands all slimy, you can put on gloves. It's the last one. That's it. This one right here, I didn't check it outside. It's a little hard. Let me see. Yeah, you hear that? See, that's how you tell if okra is too hard. Look at that. My knife won't even cut through that. See what I'm saying? So that one ain't no good. Left it on there too long. But here we go. Here your okra. Gonna slide this over here right quick. Gonna put your bag in there. Get it ready, Freddy, all ready. You seal one end. Wait on it to get ready, Freddy. When that light go off, it's ready, Freddy. Open it up. You take your bag. So I'm gonna just put all that in one bag that look like one helping. I think I'm gonna cut this bag about right here. And you don't have to vacuum seal. You can just put it in a Ziploc bag. Just make sure you get all the air off of it. can write the date on your bag. We just gonna put 11/25 okra. All right. Got that okra in there. Leave this out the way. I don't know how well it. I think it might have did pretty good. Lights off, let's check it and see. Oh yeah, that's ready. Look at that seal. Sealed all the way across. It's ready, Freddy, all ready. And that's it, people. That's how I preserve my okra, and it's good for 2 years in the freezer. Yes, sir.